halo in an 8-foot pitch black, freezing, water on the bottom, hole in the ground.
We ask that you impose the maximum sentence of 25 years to life for her grave murder of baby Halo.
Court's going to hand up the DNA order at this time.
The Persia Nelson honestly doesn't know what happened there, which if you have a .18 PAC and you're very cold and it's pouring rain and you can't see, is a possibility. It is not a zero possibility that that could not be the truth. Or she's lying.
I know all of you may have or had strong feelings and opinions about me and a tragic accident I have caused. But truly, I want all of you to know I respect and understand your feelings, and you're very much entitled to them. I also want to apologize for all the infliction and turmoil I've caused in everyone's lives, including everyone who worked and or heard about this case. Especially to the patrol officers, Jonathan Goebel and Michael Zoe. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for the hurt I inflicted on you, even though I'm sorry. I am also thankful that you found my daughter Ava. So I thank you and everyone that worked very hard and helped. Everyone's hard work didn't go unnoticed. And once again, I'm sorry. Thank you all. Most importantly, I need to apologize to my daughter, Halo. That's not what happened. I'm sorry I let my self-centered ways cause harm to you. I'm sorry I wasn't being responsible. I'm sorry I wasn't being a better mother for you. Every day, I wish it was me and not my daughter truthfully. I'm not saying that for pity. I'm just saying how I feel. Yes, I shouldn't have been smoking and drinking when I needed to be responsible for my daughter. I still haven't accepted my daughter's death, but I have accepted accountability for my actions that helped cause her death. I never intentionally meant to cause my baby girl harm, and I will feel the weight of my ignorance and stupidity in my actions for the rest of my life. There is no medication or remedy that will change how I feel. I know I've ruined many lives, and I am immensely sorry. I'm sorry to everyone. That's all.
And had an opportunity to view and listen to all of the physical evidence, including the audio and video. All right, Ms. Nelson, you can cry all you want, but I know you're smart enough to know what you got coming in this case, right?
Yes.
I mean, we get all kinds of killings in this courthouse, in this courtroom. Negligent killings, reckless killings, intentional, depraved, indifference murder. And then we got this, baby murder. All right, jury came back with baby murder. So you're getting maxed in this case. All right, no doubt about that. So I heard a lot of sorries. I didn't hear I'm sorry for murdering my baby. But you'll be saying that one day. About 25 years, when you're before the parole board, I bet you'll be saying it then. Because you're going to want to get out. Sorry, remorseful, crying then too. I bet. Yeah, but just remember, they're gonna hear and read exactly what the jury heard in this case. All right, and that's the way you murdered baby Halo. All right, that video and the pathologist's testimony describing, so we do know what happened. We do know what happened. All right, you put baby Halo in an 8-foot pitch black, freezing, water on the bottom, hole in the ground. As the pathologist described, and she froze to death from hypothermia. He described some victims of hypothermia, there's almost a period of peaceful acceptance, Some even get undressed, go to sleep. But that's not what baby Halo did. She was absolutely terrified. Right, she was crying. She was crying the whole time. Crying for you. And you were there. That's what the video showed. You were there. She knew it. So I don't, this ain't a left her. You waited. All right, up until the very end. That's why she died with her eyes open. Terrified, pitch black, waiting for you, keeping her eyes open. She never closed them. So, when it comes to that evidence, that testimony, "25 years from now with parole," well, I wouldn't get my hopes up. First count, murder in the second degree. The court does impose an indeterminate minimum 25 to a maximum life period of imprisonment. Manslaughter in the second degree, the court imposes an indeterminate maximum, 8 1/3 to 25. Is that
5 to 15, it's a man too.
5 to 15, indeterminate, man 2, not man 1. Murder in the second degree and the manslaughter count will run concurrent to one another. endangering the welfare of a child, 1 year local. It's a Class A misdemeanor. It will automatically run concurrent and merge into the state sentences. And that is the sentence and judgment of the court, the PSI, which does recommend a sentence consistent with the court's sentence will be filed with the clerk. Defendant will be remanded back to the custody of the sheriff, turned over to docks, serve out her sentence according to law.